things get tough, know that that is not the only place for your blessings. Hey family, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Frecia and welcome to the Dream Team family. Hello, if it is the first time to be here, please consider subscribing down below. It is all for free, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell that will make you know anytime that you upload a video. So thank you so much also for the returning subscribers who always show me my love, who always support my work. I really appreciate it, guys. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. You probably came here for the title, because the title is reading as the house helps. I mean, a message to all the house helps out there, and I'm telling you that you're in the right place. So if you've not subscribed yet, please know that this channel always spreads good vibes, and you should definitely subscribe so that you'll not miss out the next video. First things first, I would want to say that I'm always so proud of my sisters out there. I'm always, and I admire them. I admire the effort that they have. All the ladies who are out there as house managers, it does not take something small. Like, it takes guts, it takes sacrifices for you to go and work in somebody else's house just to earn a living. It is always so encouraging for us who have that heart of being encouraged and being inspired. I really get inspired by some of you all out there. So that is why I really had to take time and record this and also put it out there for you to know that you are important. You inspire somebody out there. You are encouraging somebody out there, and you are the best. You are the strongest. For you to go and work in a house for somebody, you really are the strongest, okay? And we admire you. So I'm so proud of you, sisters. And Gulf countries, or rather Arab countries, are not like just other countries. And as we all know, or we might not know, that Muslims have their own way of living. They have their own way of lifestyle. They have their own rules that some of us Africans are not used to it, or rather Christians or other people from other different countries. And so for you to be the person that fits in their family, it is always something so big for them. I mean, it will take a lot for you to be comfortable in a family, because you will get some things that they're doing, or rather you are doing, that they are not making them happy. And so, as again I say, the house managers who deal with all this, I'm so proud of you. So this message is to say that when you are out there, when you are working sleeplessly, you are not even getting rest for you to work, just to make your living, just to earn something that will help your kids back home, just to earn something that will make your family back home settle in a good life, or rather they just be okay. You really do a lot. It really takes a lot. For me as Frecia, I'm so inspired by people who are house girls out there, because I have friends who are house girls. I have been in Gulf, I have seen them, I have met them, I have talked to them, and they are really inspiring. So let me tell you guys, when you see these people out there, when you see these people in Arabs' houses working, don't just think it comes easy. Don't think that they do it easily. They really go through a lot. I have also worked with Arab people, even if it's not in a house, it's in offices, in different places. I know how these people can be. Anyway, everybody has their own likes and dislikes, but at some point you'll find that many likes are your dislikes, and you have to fit into that family. So for you who you are out there, and maybe you just started your contract, you just in the middle of your contract, know that this will come to pass. You will not forever be a house manager. You will not forever be employed as a house manager. It takes time. It will take time, maybe for the 2 years to get finished, and after this, know that you have a life after this. I'm not trying to discourage anybody about this job. It's a job. Even if you want to go now and that is the only opportunity that you have, take that chance. But know that you have to be strong. You have to be ready to face anything. I'm not saying that all the people are bad. No, you might find a good family that will take you like their own kid, like their own sister. But just for the sake of those who are not lucky, know that this is not the end of life. Know that somebody is looking up to you out there. There is somebody who cannot, somebody who is looking up to you saying, I wish I could be like so and so. Why? Because you are in that family. It shows that you are strong no matter what you're going through. I know I can't feel it directly, but I have an idea of what goes around in those houses. So I wanted to tell you guys that don't give up. Even if you went to, if you're watching this video and maybe you are in your first probation 6 months, just don't give up. But when things get tough, when things get tough, you might feel sometimes that you want to give up, and I might not feel the pain that you are feeling. And for this, I am saying, if things get tough, know that that is not the only place for your blessings. Know that that is not the only place where you can earn a living from. I'm not discouraging anybody. I'm just telling you that don't feel bad about yourself. For you taking a step from your house, from your family, and going to another family to help them live, to help them with their chores, you have really done a great thing that not everybody can do. You are really strong. You are admirable, So don't feel bad about yourself. If you have tried and managed a lot of things that you're going through, know that you are the best. Like, you are strong. You are somebody who somebody else is looking up to. I wish I could be like you. I wish I could be like her. She's almost finishing 2 years. As much as she's been going through a lot of stuff, but she's finished. And also I want to tell you guys that when you go to these houses, you will have to sign for a period of in most cases you will sign for 2 years contract. Know that you don't have to stay there and add your contract just because you think you can't get another job. I know it's not as easy as I'm saying it, but there is always another option. If you feel like you are sacrificing a lot, you are doing too much, know that you can also get another job apart from that one. So when you're at the end of your contract, if you feel like you want to continue and this family is good, is treating you good, well and good, go ahead. But if you feel like you want to give up, you don't think you can get another job, I'm telling you that you can get another job. So what it takes for you is you just go there, take heart, be strong, and after some time you be ready, you save up enough money, you do something better for yourself, you can change a job of your choice. But these 2 years will always remain the years of your sacrifices, of your hard work. And remember, God never sleeps. God sees all this, and you will one day be paid for what you've done. So I hope this message has been positive. I hope this message has encouraged somebody. I didn't want it to be too long, but I hope it has helped somebody out there. I hope you have felt better. For you who are going through hard things, please feel okay. Please, I know it cannot be okay, but try and focus on the positivity, maybe good memories, and things will be better. I know and I believe in you, and I'm so proud of you guys. As I have said, as house managers, it takes a lot for you to admit and to agree dealing with all this for 2 years straight with nowhere else to look at. So yeah, this is the only message that I wanted to tell you, that don't feel bad about yourself, don't give up, don't feel discouraged. This is the right decision you made. Just take time, just take heart. All this will come to pass. So yeah, if someone somewhere is looking up to you, someone somewhere is saying that they wish they could be like you, so be encouraged and always be positive. I wish you guys all the best, and I am so proud of you again, I repeat. So thank you so much for watching this video until this end. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing again, and also show me love, and also share to your friends and families. Thank you so much. Until the next one, bye bye.